How's it going, guys? It's Ariana Raven here, and I know it's been like forever since I uploaded, so like I thought like I'll make this a video. So today I went in Foot Locker and got like new Jordan shoes and a hoodie. So right now I'm about to like open the box so you guys can see it. I got the Flight 4s, purple and black. Well, like it's like purple, blue, like whatever you want to call it, because it kind of looks like both. So, but here it is. So here we go, guys. The Jordans. Just flipped right back at me. These are the shoes, guys. Got the 23 right there. Hold on. And you got the Jordan symbol right there. But yeah, I mean, I really like these. Yeah, I'm watching a movie right now, but I really like these. Like, I've been waiting for them, and they fit really well. I actually take like a size 15, so I had to pre-order them because they don't really come in stores. So yeah, I'll put this back and I'll show you guys the hoodie. So right over here, I actually haven't looked at this one yet, so I haven't like seen what it like fully actually looks like. So yeah, that's it right there. Jordan hoodie. I got the 23. I got like, this is the design on the sleeves. It's a pretty good hoodie. I like it. I like the colors. So yeah. But that'll do it for me, guys. It's kind of like a short video, but like I haven't uploaded in, I want to say like 5 months. So it's better than nothing. But yeah, hopefully there will be more videos coming soon. But yeah, like for right now, be sure you like, subscribe. See ya.